relationship with RS Component can be summarized in three magic words. First of all, it's collaborative, it's a global, and it's creative. And especially the creative one is very important. RS is really considered to be a valuable partner for Renesas because it will expose our products to roughly 600,000 engineers worldwide, and it's a very good field to expose our solutions, our products to our customers and to get engaged to them. During the Embedded World Show, as we are right now here, released a very new product, which is the S5D3, from a mobile IoT application to a high industrial application requirement where you need a little bit more performance at the end. You want to get cloud connected, you want to have running communication stacks on these devices. The S5D3 just gives the right mix. I mean, Synergy is basically the dreaming design environment engineers had dreamed about 20 years ago already. Engineers can literally start right away with that kit, not only doing initial evaluation, but actual real development of the application. So it's basically the dream came true. S5D3 target board is available now, and all distributors and of course our partner RS Components stock this tool as well.